The elevate lines command is on the data prep tab, and what this command will do will elevate lines based off of a couple different options. One is a text insertion. So this might be where you have say a parking lot with elevation callouts. You can use this where it finds the elevation of the text. Here's an example of text and leaders. You can use a point, or the example I'm going to show here is intersecting lines. So I'm going to pick the intersecting lines command, and you're going to select the intersecting lines and the lines you want to elevate. So the intersecting lines that I want to use in this case are my cross sections that I have here, because you can see my data that was brought in from the CAD file is all down here at elevation 0, and I need to elevate it to these cross sections that I have here that depict my corridor or my road. So I can pick that layer from here. You can see that it selects all the entities on that layer. And then for the lines that I want to elevate, I can also do that by layer. So what I can do here is pick by layer, and I can select the objects from let me go by layer. So I can pick the objects from the screen here. So I can pick my sidewalk, I can pick my back of curb, and my, looks like my gutter line, my flow line, and my edge of pavement. So I can grab all of those. I can even grab my ditch, and if we click close, now I can click apply, and you'll see it'll elevate these lines up to their 3D information, and it'll put convert them into line strings, and now you can see they've all been elevated. So there's a couple other options you can do with that, but you can see here that I've elevated that data. So I got my curb lines. So now I can use these curb lines to build a surface, or continue on with other data prep. There's a few other options you can do with that line command, such as with using text and leaders and points, but just shows you a quick idea what this command does.